Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we got a GL250 of a 2017, and on this GL250 we're going to go over how you would replace your tail lights. So these are your standard parking lights. These are LED. They're if these go out, you're going to have to replace the whole module. This one is your blinker slash parking light, or no, this was just your blinker light, and this is your brake light. And this is like a rear fog light type thing. Yeah, and there's a little switch that you turn it on. But there'll be an image of the switch that you turn it on, and it's right below the one you turn on for the front fog. And then right here is your reverse light. So we're going to go over how you'd replace those, as well as your license plate light and the upper light up top there. We'll go over all that. Here's your intro to it. So first, you're going to have to pop your trunk and just pull the latch, and then it'll open up, and then that way we can get access to get in to where we need to be able to release things and remove them to be able to be replaced. So to replace it, or to remove this, what we need to do is we need to, or to remove it, of course we've opened up the trunk hatch, and then over here, so over here is a panel, and you just twist it, and then you can just take the whole thing out to get to it. And then back here is a wing nut. So this wing nut, and just turn it of your counterclockwise to remove it and bring it all the way out. And with that fully removed, now we can work on getting this out. You kind of think you're going to break it, but you just got to jostle it around. And there's this push pin on the back to be able to get it all undone. And then in here, we have to take this cover off to be able to replace anything inside of there. And with our Phillips screwdriver, we just take your screws out. Those screws out, then we can just pull this whole cover off, and that's it's removed. This is the blinker, and this you just push in and twist, and that's how that releases. And then you get a new one, and this is a PY21NA for natural amber, or it's PY21W. NA is the natural amber, and it's a single element bulb. So due that it's a single element bulb, these are not offset, the little pins on the bottom here, so you don't have to worry about putting them in any direction. Now you just line it up. Actually, there is a direction, but you just spin it until it lines up. These are not completely, they're not completely straight. So then you twist it, put it in, press it and down in, and that's how you do. That's the turn signal light. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.